Um, Good morning, everyone. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to clarify things. Okay, so last time, right, I gave you homework. We have an activity. So there is a wrong answer that I gave you. So negative 4 to the power of 4. Okay, I just want to clarify things. Negative to the 4 to the power of 4 is negative times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to negative 256. Okay? Please check that on your notebook. It's not negative 196, it's negative 256. Okay? Anyway, let's let's start with our new topic. Okay, this is the continuation of chapter 3. So today we're going to discuss the loss of exponent. Loss meaning there's a lot, not only one. Okay, please get your notebook so you can copy examples. Okay, so let us first uh, study the first law. It is the multiplying exponential numbers. Okay. So in multiplying exponential number, there is a rule, okay, that you need to follow. So in multiplying exponential numbers, so multiplication of numbers or algebraic terms expressed in exponential numbers with the same base. Okay, it is highlighted there, same base. You are going to add the exponent. Again, exponential numbers. Remember, a to the power of n. A is the base number, n is the exponent. So if you have same base, you are going to add the exponent. So this is how it looks like. Okay? So a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. As you can see, they both have the same base, which is a. And what you're going to do is you are just going to add the exponent. Add, okay? Addition, plus. So that is what the rule is all about. Please copy that one and this rule, okay? Copy multiplication of exponential number, you're just going to copy this. Okay? Never mind this one, just this one. Okay? No, not everything. Only the title, the topic, and then this one. This one, never mind. Finish? Just the topic, and this one. I mean, never mind. Okay, this one. Multiplication of exponential number. Only that. And this is the next one. Mm. So you remember that is for multiplication of exponential numbers. Finish, right? Okay, so let us have an example. So, can you please read the example? This is, how do you read that exponential number? X to the power of 2 times. Okay. So again, what is the base number or the base? X. And what are the exponents? 2 and 4. So, right? So, what you're going to do is you are just going to add. Since they have the same base, that would be x to the power of 2 plus 4. And what will be the answer? What will be the answer? That is x to the power of 6. So meaning that x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 4, the answer is x to the power of 6. Okay? Next. 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Now, as you can see, you don't see any power of 2, right? The other one, the exponent is 2. Well, the first number 2, you don't see the exponent. Now, if you don't see the exponent, that number is 1. Okay? Remember, if you don't see the exponent of the given number is 1. You call that the invisible exponent. Okay? So, that will be 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to, what's the answer? 2 to the power of 3. And what is the value of 2 to the power of 3? What is the value of 2 to the power of 3? Okay, very good. That is 8. Okay? Easy, right? Easy. I want to call someone. You understand? Understand? Okay. Let us try this one. Miss at the back. Hey. Miss. Please stand up. Yes. H to the power of 3 times h to the power of 7. What will be the answer? Stand up, please. H to the power of 3 times h to the power of 7. The answer is... What's the answer? You are just... They have the same base, which is h. You are just going to add the exponents. What would be the answer? H to the power of 3 times h to the power of 7. That is... who wants to help? What's the answer? Sit down. The answer is... Okay, very good. The answer is h to the power of 10. Remember, you are just going to add the exponent since they have the same base. Okay? Next. 3 to the power of 2 times 3. Mister. Yeah. Stand up. 3 to the power of 2 times 3. What will be the answer? That is... if you don't see any power, what is the exponent? Power 1. So what's the answer? That is... What's the answer? Anyone who wants to help? Yes. Okay, very good. That would be 3 to the power of 3. Again, if you don't see any exponent here, the exponent is 1. So, that would be 3 to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 3 to the power of 3. And what is the value of 3 to the power of 3? 27. Very good. Okay? But anyway, I just... this answer will be okay. Okay? But if I ask for the value... The answer is 27. Okay? Now let us try this one. 2p to the power of 2 times 3p to the power of 4 times 4p. What do you think is the answer? Anyone who wants to try? 2p to the power of 2 times p to the power of 4 times p. What do you think is the answer? As you can see, 2 doesn't have exponent, 3 and 4. But as you can see, p to the power of 2, p to the power of 4, and p, they are like the exponential numbers that we have. Okay? So what you're going to do if you have things like that, okay. So let's try this one. 2p to the power of 2 times 3p to the power of 4 times 4p. What you're going to do, this coefficients, this number, okay, you are going to multiply it. What is 2 times 3 times 4? That is 24. Now, p to the power of 2 times p to the power of 4 times p. As you can see, the base is the variable p. Okay? And since we are trying to multiply these exponential numbers, you are going to add the exponent. And p has power of 1. So that would be 2 plus 4 plus 1. And so, the answer will be 24p to the power of 7. So that would be the answer for 2p to the power of 2 times 3p to the power of 4 times 4p. Understand? Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Let me give you another one. What if we have how about this one? Negative 2a to the power of 5 times 7a to the power of 2. What do you think is the answer? Anyone who wants to try? Anyone who wants to try? Negative 2a to the power of 5 times 7a to the power of 2. Yes? Yeah, yes, mister. What's the answer? Yeah. This is negative. Negative 14 a to the power of, okay, very good. So we will have negative 14a to the power of 7. Okay? You understand? Good. So since you understand, can you try doing this on your notebook? Okay? I'll give you 4 minutes. No need to copy, just answer it. Okay? 4 minutes is okay. 3 minutes is okay, right? Just answer it. Finish? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, finish, right? Finish? Hey, sir. Finish? Okay, who are not finished? Dapat. Finish? Ah, okay. So let us check. You sure you're finished? Who are not finished? Not finished. Yang may not finished. 1 minute. English. Okay, so let us check everyone. Oh, wait. Okay, everyone, look here. Hey, hey. Look here. Exchange notebooks. Exchange notebooks. Okay, so let us check. Okay, listen now. So we have here 7 times 7 to the power of 6. So this would be, what is the exponent of 7? The first one. What is the exponent of this number? 1. So this would be 7 to the power of 1 plus 6. And the answer is 7 to the power of 7. Remember, you are going to copy the base and add the exponent. Next, b to the power of 5 times b to the power of 3. That would be b to the power of 5 plus 3, which is equal to b to the power of 8. Next, how about this one? Negative x times 2x squared times 4x cubed times negative x to the power of 5. So, again, this would be negative times positive 2. What would be the answer? Negative 2 times 4. Negative 8 times a negative number. That would be positive 8. Next, we have x times x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 5. What is the exponent of this? 1. So we will have x to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. And that would be 8x to the power of 11. Who got it right? Who got it correct? Okay, very good. Next, number 4. 6 to the power of 3 times 6 to the power of 2 times 6 to the power of 6. That would be, since they all have the same base, that would be 6 to the power of 3 plus 2 plus 6. And what is the answer? 6 to the power of 11. Last number, number 5. 7p times 2p to the power of 2 times 5p. Now, 7 times 2 is 14. Times 5, 70. Okay. Now, p times p to the power of 2 times p to the power of 5. That would be p to the power of 1 plus 2 plus 5. Remember, the power of this exponent is 1, of this variable is 1. And so we will have 70p to the power of 8. Who got 5 out of 5? Very good. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good, no 0. Do you understand exponent rule number 1? You understand? Good. Next. Okay, that is the rule for multiplying exponential number. Let us proceed with the exponent rule number 2, which is dividing exponential numbers. Okay? Copy this. Dividing exponential number, or yeah. Copy this title. Same as the first one. In multiplying exponential numbers, remember, add the exponent. So this one is division. Okay? Dividing exponential numbers. Okay? So, in dividing exponential numbers, wait, sorry. In dividing exponential numbers, okay, like this one. So, the rule is, if they have the same base, you are going to subtract the exponent. Okay? So, we have here a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. You are going to subtract the exponent, so that is a to the power of m minus n. Multiplication of exponential numbers, addition. But if it's division, subtraction. Okay? So if we have this one, 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2. Okay, let us have this rule. Okay, we're going to go back. So again, that is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So again, in dividing exponential numbers, you are going to subtract the exponent. So if we have here 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2, they have the same base number, which is 3. And so what you're going to do is you copy the exponential, the base number, and then subtract the exponent. Okay? Since this is the first exponential number, the first exponent is 6 minus this number, okay, which is 2. And so we will have 3 to the power of 4. And this will be your answer. Okay? How about this one? 5 to the power of 7 divided by 5. What would be the answer? What would be our answer? Again, that is 5. Very good. 5 to the power of 6, because that is 5 to the power of 7 minus 1. Remember, if you don't see any exponential number, any exponent, the exponent is 1. And so you will have 5 to the power of 6. And that would be the answer. Okay? Now, let us have this example. 24m to the power of 5 divided by 3m to the power of 2. What do you think is the answer? Just like what we did earlier, the coefficient number, simplify it first. The coefficient of the exponential numbers. So what is 24 divided by 3? 8. And we have m to the power of 5 divided by m to the power of 2. That would be m to the power of 5 minus 2, which is equal to 8m to the power of 3. So that would be the answer. Okay? Is it clear? Do you understand? Yes, huh? No? So let us have this. So let us try this. Numbers. How about this one? 7 to the power of 12 times 7 to the power of 6. Anyway, what's the answer for this one? This is multiplication. Mister! Hey, mister! Stand up, please. What is the answer for this one? 7 to the power of 12 times 7 to the power of 6. Stand up. This one is multiplication. Yes, mister. What's the answer? 7 to the power of 12 times 7 to the power of 6. The answer is, what's the answer? 7 to the power of 18. Very good. Sit down. Sit down. How about this one? 6 to the power of 11 over 6 to the power of 7. Remember, over this is the division sign, okay? This is division. If you see a fraction form, that is division. So what is 6 to the power of 11 divided over 6 to the power of 7? That is, what's the answer? Yes? I heard the answer. Very good. That is 6 to the power of 4. So, wait. So that is like 6 to the power of 11 over 6 to the power of 7. It is the same as 6 to the power of 11 divided by 6 to the power of 7. Okay? This one is in fraction form. But this fraction bar is the same as the division symbol. So you will have 6 to the power of 11 minus 7. And the answer would be 6 to the power of 4. Okay? How about I say f to the power of 10 divided by f to the power of 3? What would be the answer? Okay, very good. That would be f to the power of 7. I'm just going to copy this one, right? Next. How about I say 12h to the power of 5 divided by 2h to the power of 3? Again, sorry. Very good. So that would be 12 divided by 2, that is 6. H to the power of 5 divided by h to the power of 3, that is h to the power of 5 minus 3, which is equal to 6h to the power of 2. Last one in this problem is, how about this one? Negative 48q to the power of 7 over 6q to the power of 4. Anyone? People at the back? What's the answer for this one? Negative 48q to the power of 7 over 6q to the power of 4. Again? What happened to q? Q to the power of... Okay. So negative 48 divided by 6, that is negative 8. Q to the power of 7 divided by q to the power of 4 is q to the power of 7 minus 4, which is equal to negative 8q to the power of 3. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3. So that would be your answer. Do you understand? Is it clear? You understand? Really? Good. So that is exponent rule number 2. Okay? So exponent rule number 1, Multiplying exponential number, add the exponent. Exponent rule number 2, dividing exponential number with the same base, subtract the exponent. Now let's proceed with exponential numbers. Okay, law of exponent number 3, raising index notation to a power. Okay. By the way, index notation is same as exponential number. Okay, same term. So the rule is that a to the power of m to the power of n. Okay, raising an exponential number to a power. So if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, you are going to multiply the exponent. This is what you call raising a power to a power. Meaning there are two exponents, okay? We're going to multiply the exponents. So a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So let us have this example. 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. What is the answer? Remember, a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of m times n. Multiply the exponents. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, the answer is, it is the same as okay, let us have this one. Okay, 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. So it is the same as 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Okay, you are going to multiply the exponent, which is equal to 3 to the power of, what is 2 times 5? 10. So your answer is 3 to the power of 10. Okay? You are going to multiply the exponents. How about this one? P to the power of 3 to the power of 7. What is the answer? Okay, very good. So that would be P to the power of 3 times 7, which is equal to P to the power of 21. Okay. Do you understand? Or let us have some examples. How about 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3? What will be the answer? Okay, this is 2 to the power of 6. Wait. 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. Miss. Yes, miss at the back. Stand up, please. Yes. What is 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4? 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 4. Okay, very good. That would be 3 to the power of 3 times 4, which is equal to 3 to the power of 12. Okay. How about this one? Mister? Yes. 6 to the power of 5 to the power of 2. Okay. Very good. Next, Miss, m to the power of 5 to the power of 6. Okay, very good. And the last one, Mr. P to the power of 7 to the power of 4. 7 to the power of 4. You're going to multiply. What is 7 times 4? Yes. Who wants to help? Who wants to help? What's the answer? Sit down, sit down. What's the answer? Mister? Okay, very good. That is P to the power of 28. 7 times 4 is 28. Just copy the base, okay? So that would be P to the power of 28. Do you understand? It's very easy, right? That is exponent rule number 3. Multiplying an exponential number to a power, or raising an exponential number to a power, you are going to multiply the exponent. So it's times up actually. But anyway, exponent rule number 4 and number 5 will be discussed next week. Okay. So that would be all. Teacher, are you going to say something?
สรุปวันนี้เรียนเรื่องอะไรครับเรื่องเรื่องการดำเนินการของเลขยกกำลังคือการคูณกับการหารเพราะนั้นจับหลักได้ไหมว่าการคูณเลขยกกำลังนำเลขชี้กำลังมาทำไมกันครับนำเลขชี้กำลังมาบวกกันและถ้าหารการเลขชี้กำลังหารกันทำไมครับเอาเลขชี้กำลังมาลบกันฐานต้องเหมือนกันไหมฐานของเลขยกกำลังต้องเหมือนกันไหมเหมือนครับเช่น a ยกกำลัง m คูณกับ a ยกกำลัง n เห็นไหม a เหมือนกันเข้าใจไหมa เหมือนกันเพราะนั้นเราจับเลขชี้กำลังมาบวกกันถ้า a ยกกำลัง m หารด้วย a ยกกำลัง n เราจะเอาเลขชี้กำลังมาลบกันจะได้เป็น a ยกกำลัง m ลบ n โอเคเนาะนะครับเพราะนั้นหมดชั่วโมงเพราะนั้นหมดชั่วโมงแล้ววันนี้นะครับเพราะนั้นก็ไปพักได้นะครับ
Stand up, everyone. Goodbye.